Good morning friends, welcome back to Chair Yoga. Today let us see the importance of hand reflexology. Before coming to that, let us take a breath. Okay, we can take 3 or 5 breaths. Please remember, sit tall with your spine straight. So let's go to the subject. Why hand reflexology is important? Being seniors, we may be having stiff joints and muscles which won't allow us to move freely. So, hand reflexology means it is easily accessible and we can sit anywhere and we can do that. That's why hand reflexology is the important part in chair yoga. And what we can do is that first, before commencing into the hand reflexology process, kindly refer the reflexology chart to detect the reflex points and the corresponding internal organs. So, let me show you how to start that. And I am showing the palm like this, but you can keep the palm on your lap. But to show to my friends, I am holding like this. So I took my left hand and with the right hand thumb, start from the left side, press the point and go like this without leaving any portion of the hand. Press it gently. One thing is that if you are feeling any tickling in any of the reflex points, take care of that portion, that point, and you can concentrate that holding a little bit longer with circular motion. Apply gentle pressure, circular motion. And by this way, you are massaging the corresponding internal organ in your body, which gives healing to that point. Then like that, let's go up, and when we come to the tip, with both the thumb and index finger, come down. Then again with the thumb, go like this. And you can continue it like that. In some portion you maybe feel some pain. There also please hold it for longer time with circular motion rotations. So you are taking care of that internal organ. What's the benefit of hand reflexology? It is easily accessible for us. Even if we are suffering any chronic ailment or after a surgery, if you are taking rest on bed, you can do this. Now come to the index finger. Go like this up, come down, go to that big finger, like this, come down, go to the ring finger, like this, go up, come down, go to the little finger, like this, go down, and put the fingers like this and make it like this. Go to the sides, press like this, go to the wrist, press like this, go to the top of the palm also, press like this. Now you can go, even if it is hand reflexology, yeah, you can go up to the shoulders. Come down. Then repeat that on the other hand, and just like that how we did. And then you can do like this, for the whole thing on the both palms. Stretch it like this. Bring it closer. Stretch it like this. Bring it closer. Stretch it like this. Bring it closer. Then squeeze your palms. Release it. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Yes, the reflexology part is over. And what are the benefits of the hand reflexology means? The energy blocks in our body, it is dissipating, and the healing is assured in our body. And we can be the own researcher of our body. We can take care of our body. Even on medication, we can give more relief to our body. So take care, my dear friends. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.